Stop manually adjusting row height one by one like this in Excel. It is waste of time. Instead, do like this. First, select all data rows. Now simply use this keyboard shortcut. Press Alt plus H from your keyboard. After that, press and release the O key. Do not hold the O key. After that, press H key. So now it will open row height option. Here you have to set the height which you like. I will give it 30 point. After that, I will click on OK button. As you can see, all rows height has been increased. It is very fast way. I want to give you two other handy keyboard shortcuts in bonus. If you want to select a whole column, then simply just click on any cell, and then press Ctrl plus Space key. It will select whole the column for you. The second bonus tick, if you want to select whole row, then just press Shift plus Space key. It will select the row for you. If it was helpful, then please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.